Hello students, in today's English period we are going to continue lesson number 24, The Laughing King. In previous video already we have seen first scene and second scene. Today we are going to see scene number 3 and scene number 4. In previous video we have seen Griselda, she sleeps and she falls into the puddle, and King Leonard, he was laughing at her, so she has done magic on King Leonard. Because of the magic of Griselda, King was continuously laughing. Because of the laughing of King, he has hurt his wife and his daughter, that is Cynthia. So he decided to take some advice of the council of his wise men, because he thinks that they know what to do on this problem. Now third scene we are going to see. See, the wise men are holding a meeting with the ruler of the neighboring kingdom, King Ferdinand. The king enters the chamber followed by the attendants. Here attendants means person and chamber means hall. These wise men, they were holding a meeting with the ruler of the neighboring kingdom. Ruler means what here? King. Who is that neighboring kingdom's king? King Ferdinand. And that time who entered there? King Leonard. And with him who was there? One person was there. This third scene, it took place in the chamber. Now what wise men said, see, Your Majesty. Now Your Majesty, this is a title. It is used for king. King Ferdinand has come with a complaint that thieves from our kingdom have stolen fruits from his orchard. Here orchard means what? A piece of land planted with fruit trees, means which land there fruit trees are planted, that land is called orchard. Leonard helplessly holding his side and roaring with laughter, means here also king was laughing. He was helpless and he was laughing, ha ha ho ho. Ferdinand said in anger, How dare you laugh at my complaint? I will not put up with this sort of insult. I will soon be back with my army. Now actually because of the magic of Griselda, king was laughing. But Ferdinand, he was angry because he thought on my complaint he is laughing. Wise man told to king that there is a complaint that thieves from our kingdom, they have stolen the fruits from the orchard of Ferdinand. But King Leonard, he was laughing, so Ferdinand in angry he told, I will be soon back with my army, means he is going to bring army to fight with King Leonard. Here roaring means fully. King was roaring with laughter, that roaring means fully. Leonard, ha ha, don't go my friend, ho ho, turning to his wise men, stop him, wise men, ha ha, stop King Ferdinand. Here King Leonard, while laughing, is telling to his wise men to stop King Ferdinand. Wise men said, But your majesty, what makes you laugh at this serious hour? Leonard said, Ha ha, sorry, I can't help laughing, ha ha ha, due to witch Griselda's magic, ha ha. Wise men, the witch magic? Well, let all go to witch Griselda and request her to help the king. Now here wise men, they are telling what? We'll go to witch Griselda and tell, or we'll request to her to help to the king. Now next we'll see scene 4th. This scene 4 took place in the palace garden. The king enters with his wise men. They see that witch still sitting there with a frown on her face. Frown means an angry expression. King and his wise men, they enter the palace garden, is where the Griselda, she has fallen, that place they came. That time they saw that witch Griselda, still she was sitting there with a frown on her face, means angry expression, it was on her face. Still she was sitting in that garden. Wise men said, Oh, witch Griselda, our dear king is sick of laughing. Sick means ill. Please free him from the spell. Spell means here magic. Now, wise men, they are telling what? Our king is sick of laughing, means he is ill now because of this laughing. Please free him from the magic. Griselda said, No, no, no. Why did he laugh at me? when I fell into the puddle? Wise man, do forgive him, please. Do forgive him. Forgive means stop feeling angry or you excuse him because he is now sick of laughing. Leonard said, trying to control his laughter, I am sorry. Which Griselda, ha ha, I hurt your feelings when I laughed at you when you fell into the puddle, but because of your spell, I hurt my wife's feeling and then my daughters and my friends by laughing at their misfortunes. Now, misfortune means what? Problems. Means at their problems, I laughed. Ha ha, I promise you, I will never laugh at others. Ha ha. Means King Leonard is telling to Grinsella that I will never laugh at other because of my laughing I hurt my wife's feeling and afterwards daughter's feeling. After his friends also he tell that I have hurt them. So I will not laugh at others. Griselda said, since you are sorry about your behavior, I will give you one chance. But if you ever laugh at anyone's trouble, King Leonard. Miss Griselda, she is saying what here? Sin now. You are sorry about your behavior. Means you feel sorry for your behavior. So I will give you one chance. But after you should not laugh at anyone's problem or troubles. Leonard said, never, never again. Ho ho, means never I will laugh at others' trouble. Griselda said, Shang Meng Jung, means she has said this magic word, back to your normal self. King Leonard, means she has made free. Griselda, she has made free to King Leonard from the magic. Leonard said, at last I have stopped laughing. What a relief. Means he stopped now laughing and what a relief. Relief means what? Relaxation. Means you feel now relaxed. Thank you very much. Which Griselda? Thank you. Now I will write a letter of apology to King Ferdinand. Means King is telling what? I will write a letter of apology. Now apology means what? Here justification. Means saying sorry for his act. Like this he later writing to the King Ferdinand. I will get a set of new plates for my queen. Means set of new plates he will bring for his queen. Bring my daughter Cynthia. I will stick a plaster on her poor finger. Means where she got the hurt while mending the plate. There he is telling I will stick a plaster. If you get hurt, you put something plaster on that. Like this he is going to put plaster on her poor finger. But first he is telling, let me present a new dress to dear old witch Griselda. Means King is going to give as a present new dress to witch Griselda. Last all said together, 3 cheers for King. Lastly all whoever wise men, Cynthia, Queen, all together what they said? 3 cheers for the King. Here cheers means what? Shout in praise. Means all together they praise to the King. Exercise of lesson number 24 it is given here. Students, you have to copy this exercise in English workbook. Also you have to copy the new words from the lesson number 24. This new words you have to copy 2 times and you have to learn. This is today's homework. Thank you.